Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to talk about how you can select multiple elements just in case you want to simultaneously work on several elements at the same time. And this is for those who want to learn how to do it or haven't figured out how to do it yet. So first, simply click on the first element that you want to work on. Say for example, this element right over here. Now, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and then continue selecting all the other elements you want to work on. And once you're done selecting everything, you can now let go of the Shift key. Also, once you select everything, relevant tools will be displayed on the action bar above. So you can group your elements, set their alignment, and so much more. So feel free to work on your selected multiple items however you want to. Apart from that, you can also right click on them and you'll see other available options. You have to manage those elements. So you can cut them, copy them, paste, duplicate, delete, group them together, align them, or evenly distribute them. So feel free to work on your selected elements however you want to. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.